Okay everyone, it's Will back from Steel City Photography again. In my previous video you might have seen I've just bought myself a BMW 116i and I've been slowly modifying it. In my previous video I chose the 5 easiest mods to do on your car, but I did forget one crucial one, and that was automatic boot struts. And thanks today from Emerald Struts, I now have those and I'm going to be showing you how to install them. If you're not already, please like and subscribe to the channel. And just remember, the more people that are subscribed to my channel, the more videos that I'm going to be making in the future. So if you do like this video, just hit that little icon at the bottom and give me a thumbs up. In the box from Emerald Struts, you're going to get the main strut itself as well as a little installation card, and all you have to do is just follow the little installation guide on the back of that card and everything should be fine. So as many 1 Series owners know, clicking the boot or tailgate button on the key fob doesn't do anything but unlock the tailgate. From there you have to open it manually, which if you're carrying anything is such a pain in my opinion. So before you can install your new Emerald Struts, you need to remove the existing struts. This is done by removing the 2 clips from the top and bottom that hold the strut to the ball joint. Now I should tell you all that this video is by no means sponsored by Emerald Struts. However, they have given me the opportunity to give you all 10% off, so stick around till the end of the video and I'm going to give you a code and a link to follow if you want to get your own Emerald Struts. Once you've removed the new strut, all you need to do is remove the 2 pins from your new Emerald Struts before installation. Now just replace with your new struts. I do recommend having someone else there to hold up the tailgate, as the OEM struts are really flimsy and they can't hold up the tailgate by themselves, or if you're like me, just use your head to prop it up. Now after installing the new struts onto the ball joint, all you have to do is reinstall the pins back onto the strut. This is what holds it onto the ball joint and secures it in place. If not done properly, damage can occur, and Emerald Struts has made it clear on their packaging that they are not accountable for this, as it is user error. Now it's time to install the other side. I didn't show this, but on the previous I did clean the ball joint with some WD-40 contact cleaner just to remove the old grease. I will be adding some new grease to the joint as advised by Emerald Struts, but didn't have any to hand. Now for the first few weeks the strut is going to be stiff to close, but I've been assured by Emerald Struts that this will ease. Now this is the finished product, and all I can say is that I'm not disappointed and highly recommend it to others who are looking for a quality strut. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. And a massive thanks to Emerald Struts for producing such an amazing product. And as promised, I put a link down in the description to Emerald Struts' website. And at checkout, if you enter the code SteelCity10, then that will give you 10% off your purchase. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.